The USA is an incredible country from the beautiful Hawaiian Islands. The untamed Southwest's rock formations. Every region of the United States has something special to offer and is worth seeing. Oregon has to be one of the most beautiful states in all the USA, from forest waterfalls to dramatic coastline. Oregon has so much to offer. Let's start this video off at TAMOLITcH Blue Pool. It's located about an hour outside of Bend, Oregon, and it's a fairly easy and beautiful hike through the forest.
When you reach the pool, you're going to be blown away by the blue color.
It's this perfectly placed spring surrounded by a small amphitheater of cliffs. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Gig Travel for more best places. See you next time.